This educational video is intended to help children build their vocabulary for the purpose of their general knowledge, as well as to improve their scores on state and other standardized exams. Please pause the video to read the purpose, scope, and warnings related to this video. This video has a free student engagement worksheet that can also be used as a quiz. It's available in many formats. Please see the link in the description to download this. In this video, we'll learn the definition of these words. We'll do that by focusing on the meaning of the word parts, which make up each word. The word root anim means a living being. Animals are living creatures that have incredible diversity. They include ladybugs that weigh less than an ounce and elephants that weigh thousands of pounds. Some animals can live in the water, like fish and whales. Some animals can fly, like birds and butterflies. We can't live in the water or fly, but we are animals too. People live on the land and have a lot in common with other mammals. Mammals are a class of animals that share some unique features, such as being able to grow hair, which we sometimes call fur or wool. In biology, we learn that the definition of an animal is a living organism made of more than one cell that eats other organisms as a way to get its food energy. More specifically, animals can't do photosynthesis, which is what plants do as a way to capture the energy in sunlight. Instead, animals must eat plants or other animals as a way to get their food energy. The definition of an animal does not require that an animal can move around. For example, these colorful rock-shaped objects are corals. They can't swim or walk, but we consider them to be animals because, unlike plants, they can't make their own food using the energy in sunlight. Instead, they eat small organisms that land on their bodies. We use the word animated to describe someone who is using a lot of facial expressions or hand gestures. It means they're full of life. We use the word animation to refer to hand-drawn cartoons or computer productions that make objects or characters appear and move. Cartoons and computer animations are just make-believe, since these are not photos or videos of real-life things or people. The word inanimate is made of two word parts. The first is in, which means not. We usually use this word to refer to objects that have never been alive. For example, all of our office supplies, the buildings we work in, and the rocks that make up the ground are all inanimate objects. The word animosity refers to having hate or bad will towards another individual or a group. We generally think of this as an emotion that individuals have towards each other, which may make them argue or physically fight. This can happen with animals in nature, and also among individual people, between political organizations or entire countries. The prefix ant can mean either in front, or it can mean before. The word anterior means to be in or towards the front. For example, we could say that this car's headlights are at the anterior of this car. We could also say that the back seats are anterior to the back wheels. The word antenatal is made of two word parts. The second is the root natal, which means birth. Together, these word parts describe the time during pregnancy before a child is born. These ladies are at an antenatal clinic. Antenatal clinics specialize in healthcare for expecting mothers. The word root anthrop means people. The word anthropology has two key word parts. The second is logi, which means the study of a subject. Together, these word parts refer to the academic subject of anthropology. Anthropologists study different cultures and are especially interested in knowing how people used to live long ago. Anthropologists look at what people made, study what people believed, learn how people interacted with each other, and how they managed to survive in various environments. The word anthropomorphic is made of three word parts. The second is morph, which means form. Together, these word parts refer to putting human traits on non-human animals or objects. For example, the artist made this be anthropomorphic by having it wear shoes, carry a plate, and have a face that looks like ours. It's very common to use anthropomorphic features in drawings and cartoons. We know that in real life, the sun doesn't have a face and isn't made of a person. The word philanthropist is made of three word parts. The first is phil, which means love. Together, these word parts refer to someone who loves humanity. In general, this word refers to someone who donates a very large amount of money so it can be used for the general public. For example, philanthropists often pay for the wing of a new hospital, the department of a large school, or fund a new public park. Thanks for your attention.